Whoops, let's go back. One, 6, 8, 8. All right, so we have we can set up, I think the manufacturer's setup, it's 1.3 hertz. 1 hertz, that's 1 beat per second, but we can set up as low as 0.08 hertz, so 0.08 beats per second. Let's leave it this way, press OK, and we can go as high as 8 beats per second. That's a little too much, we don't need that, but you can go as high as that. Okay, press on OK, and this is so cool, RPMs. You can go as low as, let's see, 145. Let's see if, okay, so this is the lowest RPM. 1450 RPMs. This is the lowest. The highest, 5. Ooh, okay, so 5000 RPMs, the highest. Yep. This is the highest. Okay, now the voltage. We can either 12, either if you have a truck, either 24. We leave it at 12. Okay. SN, I'm not sure about that. If you guys have any idea, either it's give you one option or two options. Second, I believe this is SN. But as I do that, my heater right now running, and it increases in speed. If I put it 1, it slows down the heater. If you guys have any idea what's that, please let me know. Let us know, actually. And this is off for heater. On. Let's leave it on. Okay. Next video I'm gonna do about the remote control. How to pair it remote with a heater. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.